I'm out this bitch. Fuck y'all. Fuck y'all. I ain't playing no more motherfucking football. I don't give a fuck. Fuck it. Y'all won't use me, motherfucker. Y'all won't throw me the motherfucker. I'm motherfucking Antonio motherfucking Brown, bitch. Yeah. Motherfucker, damn punk ass coach and them won't even throw me the motherfucker. I can win this bitch. Oh, y'all ain't gonna throw me the ball? Oh, hey, fuck it. I'm out this bitch. I'm taking, bye, motherfucker, peace, nigga. I don't give a fuck. And you gonna lose $1 million if you walk out. Fuck that money. Fuck that shit. I'm Antonio, motherfucker. West Side. Yeah, nigga. I quit. I quit, motherfucker. I quit. Fuck y'all. I quit. Now what the fuck? Yeah. Yeah, I got a screw loose. Yeah. Burfict hit me, and I ain't never been the same. When we played the Bengals, when I was on the Steelers, Burfict hit the fuck out of me, rattled my shit, and I ain't been thinking the same way ever motherfucking since. I'm cuckoo for motherfucking Cocoa Pops. I quit. Woo-hoo-hoo. I quit. Antonio, baby.